Forget everything you thought you knew about getting your retirement savings. If you're picturing long waits and stacks of paperwork to get your EPF money, well, think again. We're diving into what's being called EPFO 3.0, and trust me, it's all about getting your money faster than ever before.
So let's just jump right in with the number that changes everything: 3 to 7 days. Yep, for most claims, that's the new average time it takes from the moment you hit submit online to seeing that money land right in your bank account. It's an absolute game changer.
And it gets even better. Get this, the system is now so smart that for things like medical needs or education, it can automatically settle claims for up to 5 lakh rupees. That means way faster access to bigger chunks of your own money right when you need it most.
So, you might be wondering, how is all this speed even possible? Well, the answer is pretty simple, because pretty much the entire system has gone digital. Over 99%, let that sink in, of all EPF claims are now filed online. The era of printing forms and standing in queues, it's officially over.
And all of this whole new system, is what people are calling EPFO 3.0. This isn't just some minor update or a new coat of paint. It's a total transformation, built from the ground up for the digital age, and it's designed to put you, the member, in direct control.
And just look at the difference here. On one hand, you had the old way, which was a total maze of paperwork, right? You were dependent on your employer for a sign-off, and then you just had to wait, with no idea for how long. Now, it's a digital highway. You have a direct access online portal, and you're looking at settlements in just a few days. The difference is night and day.
Okay, so you want to get on this new digital highway, right? Well, you're going to need the keys. Think of these as the 3 essential things that unlock the whole seamless online experience. Let's break down exactly what they are.
All right, here they are. These are the 3 things you absolutely need to have sorted out. First up, your universal account number, your UAN, has to be activated. Simple enough. Second, your KYC details. That's your Aadhaar, your PAN, and your bank account info. They have to be complete and verified in the system. And finally, number 3, if you've left a job, that date of exit needs to be updated. You get these 3 things in order, and you are good to go.
And you know, it's not just the process that's gotten simpler. The reasons you can withdraw for have also been totally streamlined. The old system had something like a dozen different confusing categories. Now, it's all been consolidated into a much clearer, much simpler framework.
And this table really lays it out perfectly. Forget the confusing options from before. Now you've basically got 3 main doors you can walk through. Final settlement, which is for when you leave a job, partial advance for specific needs like illness or buying a house, and of course, pension withdrawal for your retirement. It's just clean, simple, and so much easier to understand.
But here's a really important point. While the system is all about giving you quick access to your money, its main job is still to protect your retirement nest egg. That's why, for some of these partial withdrawals, the system makes sure that a minimum chunk of your savings stays put, safe and sound for your future.
Okay, so we've covered the what and the why. Now for the really good part, how do you actually file a claim? Don't worry, it's a simple 6-step process, and we're going to walk through it right now.
All right, let's do this. Step 1, log into the member portal with your UAN. Step 2, just give your KYC details a quick once-over to make sure they're correct. Step 3, head over to the Online Services tab and click on Claim. Step 4, choose the claim you need. The cool part is, the system only shows you the options you're actually eligible for. Step 5, pop in the amount and the reason. And the final step, number 6, verify everything with the OTP that gets sent to your Aadhaar-linked phone. And that's it, you're done.
And the best part? You're not just sending your application into a black hole. As soon as you submit, the system keeps you in the loop with SMS and email alerts. Plus, you can log in anytime you want and track the status of your claim right there on the portal. It's total transparency.
So let's just step back for a second and look at the big picture here. Because these changes aren't just about a faster website, right? This is a whole new way of thinking. It represents a fundamental shift in the entire philosophy of the system.
Oh, and this part? This is a huge sigh of relief for so many people. If your account is fully KYC compliant, you no longer have to go hunting for your bank passbook or a check leaf to scan and upload. Why? Because the system now trusts your verified data, and that removes a massive headache for everyone.
So let's just circle back and look at the incredible results of this whole transformation. We're talking over 99% of claims are now digital. Settlements are happening in 3 to 7 days. The auto settlement limit is up to 5 lakh rupees. And in just one financial year, the system processed over 2.3 crore automated claims. I mean, the numbers really do speak for themselves.
And what this all boils down to is a new philosophy, something called trust-based governance. What does that really mean? It means the system is now built to trust you, the member. It empowers you with direct access and convenience while also making sure your long-term retirement goals are protected.
So at the end of the day, EPFO 3.0 has created this incredible platform that's faster, it's more transparent, and it truly puts you in the driver's seat. It's all there, built to serve your needs. The only question left is, are you ready to take control?